Hi traders, let's see what's happening in USDINR. So in the last video, I had said that the USD in weekly is in ascending triangle pattern, and wherein it was already in a support zone of in weekly. Here I have put an ascending triangle pattern here. This is the last video we are here. Let's see. I said if in case if there's a trend reversal here, it can go for a buy. Let me show in 4 hour. Yeah, so I said if in case candle closes above this level, this is green candle here, so this is a bull. So that's how I said. But instead market pushing upward, the market started accumulating here for a while, and then this was one of the strong support of daily. You can see here daily, then it took support and then it broke down. Okay, so in this area I wanted to discuss more here. Let's see here in weekly, as I already said. Fine. So the market has took a bounce over here. It went up again. It was here. At this year, I said the market trend reversal and then it will go up. So that was the case actually. But what happened is that for a long time the market was in side range and then it broke down in daily. But what happened here is, if you see here, this is one support and this is other support actually. This one. So this is one support. This is another support, and this is another, and this is the other support actually. Fine. Now, the market did a stop loss hunting. So for the stop loss, what happened is it's in a weekly. The market is an ascending triangle pattern. When does this ascending triangle pattern gets invalid is if the market closes below this support actually. So here it took a support, it went up, it formed a double top here. Then again the market had come here, it took a trend reversal here. It should have gone up actually. Instead, it came down and it didn't break below this. If you see the current weekly candle, just did a wick. You can see the shadows over here, and then the market is moving up. If a candle, the current weekly candle or any upcoming weekly candle closes below this zone which I've drawn over here, which is 81.8500. If a weekly candle closes below 81.8500, then we can say that this ascending triangle gets invalid. That is, instead of breaking up, it broke down, gets invalid, and the market we can expect to fall further, meaning USD is become weaker and INR gets stronger. So this is the scenario. But I'll come back to the other part. But for now, what happened is the market did a stop loss hunting here in this zone here. Whoever kept the stop loss here, it does hunt. Not only that, anybody who had stop loss at even this support area also been a hunting here. It was a very strong hunt which happened in the I think last 2 days. Today is Wednesday, so it was like Tuesday, Monday, yeah, Monday and Tuesday. So the Monday and Tuesday last 2 days was a hunting zone where the market started hunting in this area and this area. If in daily you could see, the market looks like it broke this and then it is in lower low. It's in a lower high position. The market can fall further. So that could be a scenario. That's how it looks like. But the triangle pattern which I've said, it's in weekly. So the trend weekly should get invalid only based on the weekly candles. So if we have a closer look, as I said, this is a descending ascending triangle where this is the crucial support, critical support area, below which a weekly candle closing below this level, we can consider that this triangle gets invalid and the market can fall further. Yeah, the lower time frame, the market can swing in different trends. It can form, and it's a clearly in weekly time frame. It's a clearly in a hunting has happened, and because of that, it looks like in daily time frame that the trend has reversed and the market can go down further. But that's not the actual scenario. Fine, this is stop loss hunting, purely stop loss hunting. Now today there is a Fed meeting in IST time frame. We have at 11:30. So we have Fed interest rates. The previous Fed interest rate is 5.25%. So expected is 5.50. That is a 0.25 of increase in the interest rate is expected to happen today. So if it happens, the USD gets stronger. The high impact is on the USD. The USD gets stronger, and the core currency is INR. So this gets weaker, and then we can expect the market to push upward. Since at 11:30, the Indian market USDINR trading will not happen. So its impact will happen in the next day. That is tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, so anybody who wants to take advantage of this particular move can be in a buy position, or can add your buy positions today before the end of the market in Indian brokers. And so when tomorrow the results happen, there will be a volatile and the market will be pushing a little upward. So that could be in taking advantage of a news which is supposed to happen today. But again, we are in a critical zone where there is a hunting happened twice. Here again, if you see here clearly, there was a hunt happened here after this support, but the market didn't close below this. So the wick had come much closer down to this support as well, and then it didn't reach, though it was almost nearby, and then the market pushed upwards and went away. Fine. Then again, now this week there is a hunting again happening. So this is an purely a hunting game which is happening. So whoever had a stop loss at this area would be in a loss actually. So anyways, there is a expiry happening today and tomorrow in Indian future markets. So even I was in loss, and I closed my position and did a rollover to the August month expiries. Now, okay, so based on news, the market will be volatile and can go up. But whoever want to do more safer trade, do a thing, go for a daily time frame. Your daily time frame. So this is lower high, this is lower low now. If a market closes above this, let me show. If a market closes above, yeah, see here I've drawn. Sorry, 82.2025. Okay, 82.2025. Okay, if a market closes above 82.2025 in a daily time frame and closes above this, then you can consider the market is in for bull. And from there, if you take consideration, you can expect 1 is to 1.7, where the market can go up to 82 point. Give me a minute. Sorry. Yeah, 82.8120. So we can expect 0.6154 pips, not pips actually, 0.6154, what to say, the pip calculation in the chart will be different, but an actual pip is different actually. So roughly 60 pies it can move up from this area. Maybe after breakout after the breakout at this area, you can go for a buy and your stop could be at this area. Again, you can say there could be a possible stop loss hunting can be there. So do not be alarmed. I don't think so. From the sentiments of the market, US will and definitely increase the interest rates. This is one time, and before the end of this year there will be another increase in the Fed rates as well. So that's the sentiments across the experts. And that advantage will make the INR to be weaker and USD stronger, so that the script will be in bull. So you can expect a bull, and which happened the last 2 days. It's a completely a hunting, stop loss hunting. Fine. And whoever wanted to be conservative as well as a aggressive traders, so decide on based on your trading style and be in your position. Fine. This is purely hunting based scenarios. So once there is any news update, I'll post it in the comments section as well, and to see what will be there tomorrow's scenarios in USDINR. Fine. Again, tomorrow, post the news. I'll post my comments, or if there is any analysis, is further change in the trend as well. I'll update that and a newer video as well. So UNR USDINR is still in bullish. Whoever there's expiry is about to happen today, tomorrow. I guess there's a two expiries today and tomorrow. Think so, not sure. Be in a rollover. You can close a position today and do a rollover in the August position month as well. Um, and let's wait and see what happens tomorrow. Please do support on my YouTube channel as well as in my trading view, and post your comments and post your views as well. Thank you. Happy trading.